locate root 10 and root 17 on a number line. So first we will locate root 10. So to locate a root 10 on a number line, first we need to draw a number line. Okay, and then after drawing a number line, we need to draw a straight line on 3. I have drawn a straight line at 3. Okay, now we need a compass and we need to put a pencil in it. And now we have to take 1 centimeter in it, means 1 centimeter of distance we have to take in our compass. So I have take 1 centimeter on my compass. And we have to mark 1 centimeter in it. And then we have to draw a straight line from 0 to the mark we have marked. So we have drawn a straight line from 0 to the mark, and then we have to put the compass on 0 to the mark. Okay, and after that we have to make a kind of sector from this, or we have to just complete it and touch the pencil to number line. Okay, I have taken the distance from 0 to the mark, and then I have done like this. Okay, so this is our this point is our root 10. Okay, now this is not fulfilled. We have to also write something so the examiner would get to know. So first we will write here A. Here at the 3 we have to write B. At this point we have to write C, and root 10 equals to D. Now you have to write on the answer sheet AC square equals to AB square plus BC square equals to 3 square plus 1 square, which is equals to 10. So AC equals to root 10. So AC equals to root 10, and we have taken the same length on the number line. So AD is equals to root 10. AD equals to root 10. And here we have to tell that AB equals to 3 units, BC equals to 1 unit, and our question is done. So now we have to find root 17.